Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's London Tay coming to you today with another video, and today's video is another little tech video. I am going to show you guys how I get my videos from looking busted, dull, and bland to looking vibrant and juicy and full of life, all for free and recorded on my iPhone. So if you guys want to check out how I do that, then continue watching. Hi guys, so before I jump into the video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys a tiny bit of background. I hate long intros, you guys know that if you're an OG subscriber, but I just wanted to show you little clippets of what videos I record on my iPhone. Now I do sometimes use my iPad. They both pretty much have similar quality. Like I stated, I have an iPhone 6, so I have almost the lowest grade iPhone. I don't have a 6S, and there's no 6 Plus or anything like that. It's actually a very busted iPhone 6. You also can use your iPhone 5. Honestly, anything will work, as long as you have something to record your beautiful face, you guys. So I'm a very budget-friendly person. I hate spending a lot of money. I always like to find a cheap alternative to anything that I get. So this was one thing that I ran across. I was trying to research how to enhance my pictures and enhance my photos. And I know you can enhance your photos, but I was really trying to figure out a way to enhance my videos. And I know if you clicked on this video, then I'm sure you guys have trying to figure out ways to enhance your videos as well. My videos are not picture perfect quality, but I feel like they are pretty good to be recording off my iPhone 6. So before I discovered this app, I was not using anything to enhance my videos, hence this video right here. But my later quality videos, I have used this app to enhance the quality of my videos, and it has made a huge difference. Especially if you don't have good lighting, or it's dark, or whatever the case may be, you don't have the money for lighting, this will work for you. So the version that I get is the Cute Cut Pro version. Now that version is about $2 or $3. However, you can use the free version. It just doesn't have all those qualities as the Pro. So either one, I feel like the $2 or $3 is not much. It's a one-time fee. It's not monthly or anything like that. So if you guys could invest in that, I really would highly recommend for you to invest in that. So without further ado, go ahead and watch what I do to enhance my videos. Okay guys, so first things first, you're going to want to go to your photos of your phone and figure out where is your video, and make sure you have that video that you're going to edit. That's the video that I'm going to edit. Once you find that video, you're going to basically go back out and go to iMovie. Click on iMovie, and when you go to iMovie, you're going to click on the plus sign to the top left, and that's going to pull up the new project. Once you click on the new project movie, not trailer, you're going to go to video, and you're going to find that video that you want to edit. Once you find that video that you want to edit, you're going to click the check mark. That is going to pull up the new project and allow you to edit the video. When you are done editing, you're going to click done at the top left corner, and then it's going to bring you back to the main screen. Once you get there, you're going to click that middle bottom button, which is basically like a box with the arrow pointing up. Once you click that, you're going to click save video, and you're going to always save it in 1080p HD. Yes, so that's the more HD type of look. So once you save it on that, it's going to go export. It's going to take a few minutes to export and save. So you're just going to go ahead and wait on that to save. Okay, so once it's exported and saved, it's going to say that it was saved and exported to your photo library. Once it's done exporting, you can just go ahead and exit out of iMovie. You do not need that anymore. Once you get to the main screen, you're going to go back to the main screen. Once you get back to the main screen, you're going to go to Cute Cut Pro. That is the app that you are going to use in order to further HD your videos. So once you click on the Cute Cut Pro, it's going to make you create a whole new movie. You can name it whatever you want to name it. I just always keep it new movie 4, 3, 2, whatever one that pops up. If you're just your first time, it's going to pop up new movie 1. You're going to click create, and then you're going to keep all of that information the same and just click done at the top right hand corner. Once you hit done, you're going to click on that new movie. Mine said new movie 4, so I clicked on new movie 4 at the top left hand corner. Once you get to the screen, you are going to click that plus sign that's to the left, and then that's going to pop up, and you're going to click video because that's what you just did. You did a video, so once you click that video, you can go to recently added. You can go all photos, whatever one gets you to that video. I just went to recently added, and I'm going to click on the recently added video, and that is my video right there that I want to edit. So here it is. It's going to load onto that screen with the recording sound beside it. All right, so in order to edit that video, you're going to double tap the timeline video. So the video that's right here, the lower video, you see you have the big screen one to the top, and then the one that's on the timeline, you're going to double click that. Once you double click that, you see the top screen one that's a little highlighted on the edges. You are going to scroll down where the down, like the choices are below, and you're going to find the 3 circles that are like touching each other, like a kind of like a triangle, and that is what you're going to use to change like the contrast, the temperature, the saturation of videos. So you can go and just play with those things. I usually just mess with the saturation, the brightness, the contrast, and the temperature, and those get me my results that I want. Okay, and as you can see me messing with the saturation, you see how it gets black and white at the top, and then for the extremes it gets really, really bright. So as you can see how it would change the HD quality of it. Same thing as for the contrast and the temperature. It's going to just, you know, change the way that the quality of the videos look. So whatever you choose, it's really your choice of what look you're going for. Once you figure that out, you can just play with the timeline and seeing how your results look before you confirm anything. I just like to scroll through and just see how the color looks throughout the video and see if I need to tweak anything or change anything. I just do that for a little while, a couple seconds, and once I figure out if that's what I want, next you're going to double tap the timeline again to get out of it, and you see at the top right hand section you're going to see that box with the arrow going outwards. You're going to click that, click export to album, and of course the 1080p, and then after that you're going to give it a minute to export, and once it's done exporting, then your new movie HD quality movie is done. And you after that you can just go and check the photos and make sure that it's done, but it will be a new beginning. Okay guys, I hope this video was extremely helpful for those who are filming on a budget like myself, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys like these type of videos, do not forget to comment and tell me you guys like them. Like and share this video. Of course, I have a lot more little details and detailed videos that I can record for you guys. I know a lot of little tricks and tips with filming on a budget. So if you guys again love these videos, then like, comment, and subscribe for more of these videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.